Hello YouTube preppers and radio operators. Today I want to make a video to show you how you can use this cordless power tool, or the battery for the cordless power tool, to power your two-way radio mobile as a base station setup. So since I already have Ryobi brand tools, I have multiple batteries for the different tools I have, and I bought a power source, and this one takes the 18-volt Ryobi batteries, provides outputs for 12-volt DC with this automotive power socket, multiple USB at different levels, and a USB-C cord outlet. So you can convert the power that you put into here for your tool batteries that you put in this battery. You can change it to different voltages. Of course, USB is a 5-volt DC output. So battery's plugged in, turned on, turn the converter on. Now I'm powering up the radio. And to show that it has enough power to transmit, I'll do a test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This radio is on high power, and it's rated as or advertised as a 20-watt transmit power. Testing will determine how long these batteries will provide the power to your radio for. This one is a 6 amp hour battery. The one that's connected is a standard 18-volt lithium Ryobi battery. They also make these lithium plus, and I suspect that they're capable of putting out slightly higher rate of discharge than the standard ones. They do cost more. And I was even able to transmit, at least for testing a short time, on one of these small batteries. Now this is only a 2 amp hour battery, so the bigger the battery, obviously the longer you'll be able to use the battery to power your radio. And there are also available DC chargers for these batteries that you can plug into your car outlet power, your vehicle outlet power, and recharge these if their grid power is not available to recharge them. Money-wise, these batteries would not be my go-to option for providing power to a radio, but in my case, I already have quite a few of these batteries for my power tools, the cordless tools. So it makes sense to spend a little bit more money. I think it was $30 or so for this converter to turn the 18 volt into 12 volts and of course USB power. So the other advantage is, if I have portable, handheld radio batteries that I can charge off a USB or off of that power source. And I can also use a battery eliminator for my handheld radio that plugs into a 12-volt automotive socket to power the radio directly without a battery. So this is just one more way, if the power is down and you need a way to power your mobile radio or handheld radios, or to recharge batteries for your handheld radios, you can transfer this battery power, stored energy, into a rechargeable handheld radio battery. And in this example, I just have a small magnetic mount antenna sitting on this pizza pan in the house, just to demonstrate the setup as a base station. And actually works pretty well, especially if I have that pizza pad close to a window. I hope this helps some people, and if you have a different brand of tool, cordless tools, there may be factory-made or handmade options that provide you with the same capability for the brand of tools that you have. This is Hardcore 4.6 for the Hardcore Preparedness channel. Keep prepping, my friends.